Alright y'all, in today's episode, I'm coming to install a Flowmaster Delta Force air intake. But first, we gotta go ahead and get this old junk out of here. What we're gonna need is an 8mm to remove that cover, and a flathead screwdriver, and our hands. Let's go ahead and get this old stuff out of here. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Alright, just set that to the side, y'all. Now take your flathead screwdriver. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. Alright. Get this off. You're gonna have a clamp around your hose. We're gonna see if that's gonna get retained in the kit. All right, got that off. Now we can go ahead and unplug our mass airflow sensor and get this separated. All right, go ahead and set this somewhere safe, y'all. Fragile. All right, now you go ahead and grab this and pull it up. That just pulls up, y'all. All right, now this is where the 10mm comes into play. We gotta remove these bolts here, but we're gonna reuse this one, this one, this one, and this one for the kit. And that's it. Take that out of the way. I dropped the other two bolts. Let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, next step, I gotta install this with the supplied M6 Allen head screws. That goes like this, yeah. All right, y'all. Next, install a straight coupling onto this end with two hose clamps. Make sure you get just enough to where you got a clamp and then enough to make it onto the intake. Probably like so. I went test fitted on the truck right quick to get that proper orientation, yeah. Last and final one. Gotta put this one. Then that one goes to here. And then after I get this clamp on, y'all, I'm gonna go put this in the truck. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this in and line it up with the factory bolt hole. All right, time to actually finish up the install, y'all. I'm excited. All right, like a glove. All right. Oh, that fits nice. That's a nice fit up, huh? All right, got these two clamps tight. Plug your sensor back in. Now we can go ahead and put our filter. Right. Pop our filter in. Tighten it up right quick. All right, y'all, that's a finished install. Let me go ahead and crank it up for y'all. All right, let's go see how the hood closes. Should close good. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go take it for a ride. Oh, Lord, mosquitoes in here, yeah. Let me close the door. Dude, y'all, off the bat, I noticed more pep in his step, you know what I'm saying? At the same throttle before, I couldn't even really get it to go nowhere. Oh yeah. Oh, you can hear it, y'all sound good. Check out them headlights. Well, all right, y'all. That's going to go ahead and do it for this episode of the cold air intake install. What y'all think about it? Y'all can hear more whoo. It said make a couple more horsepower, but I just did it because it looked cool. And it sounds cool when you romp it, you're sucking air. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Later.